Today we're going to be working on my gauge cluster. I put the stepper motors in yesterday, but I ran out of time to put the LEDs in. You're gonna want to take a 4, as odd as it sounds. This is your circuit board, obviously. Basically, all you do is you heat up the solder right by it, lift it off. That one is a little loose, apparently. Just like that, very easy. Like so. And to line it up, you just simply, since you're trying to get to this alignment marker right here, take it, you spin it around 180, as far as it go to the right, and you just lightly push it up. Until it sits where you want it to. I call that pretty good. Alright guys, well we got the dash all put back together. Lights work good. Success. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment down below and hit that subscribe button, and turn the bell notifications on for more.